Where it might seem like a straightforward and easy task, I still get asked how to properly install the clutch cover on an E50 motor, commonly found on a lot of Puch mopeds. So let's not waste any more time and make a brief entry-level video on how to install the clutch cover on a E50 motor. If you plan on installing a new gasket, which I highly suggest you do, you have to make sure that you first saturate the gasket with some kind of oil. I would suggest 2-stroke oil because it's a 2-stroke and it's not going to hurt it. You can also use the transmission fluid, which is type F for the E50 motor. And the reason we saturate the gasket is so that we get a better bond and seal from our clutch cover to our case. If you don't, you run the risk of having a leak in this general area where the gasket sits and inevitably having to redo this entire process. So I highly suggest that you saturate this gasket. Now that we've saturated the gasket completely, go ahead, flip the motor on its side. Just make sure that that flat edge on the gasket is on the top left, and go ahead and install the gasket. With the gasket in place, it's now time to install your clutch cover. Put at least one bolt in the cover when I start the install. Make sure that you pull the clutch cover lever clockwise about at 9 o'clock. Once you get the lever past this metal spine on the motor, go ahead and press down on the cover to keep it in place. If you don't have the clutch cover lever on the correct side, you won't be able to engage the clutch. The way that the clutch lever actually works is that when you pull in the clutch lever on your handlebars, it pulls this arm forwards. When that arm goes forwards, you're actually turning the actuator shaft. That then pushes in on your starter clutch plate and actually allows the internals of your motor to engage. Now with everything lined up, you're good to install the rest of your hardware. Make sure that you push down on the plate, not allowing any movement. Connect your clutch cable back up, make sure that you refill your oil, and you're all set. I hope this helps. I've had a few of you guys reach out asking about this. If you guys have any other questions, let me know. I know my terminology isn't the best. Give me some grace, guys. Other than that, if you have any other questions, leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and as always, ride safe.